Hello, this is a screencast on how to find out who needs to take a post-test in your class. It's pretty easy to run a report, you just have to know how. So this is my home screen for classes. Yours most likely does not look like this, but I'm going to pretend that I am Teresa. I'm an in-person class, doesn't matter, online, in-person. Still need to test and do post-tests. So ELLA, this is my class, this is my summary page. I'm Teresa Miller. Here is the list of students. You just go to the assessment tab right here on your class summary page. I'm going to reset this so that we see how it'll look when you run the report. Here's all the students, their number of hours that they've had since the last test, all the information about them, the level, the form they've taken. But what's most important is, do they need to retest? If they need to retest, then this box will be checked. And you can sort it by pressing checked on that search box. So that narrows it down. They're all on CASAS, so that is easy. But if you had both CASAS and TABE in your class, you could search first by CASAS, just type in CASAS, and then by TABE, just typing in TABE. Nobody's going to be on TABE here, so go back to CASAS. And then the other important factor is, have they made a level gain this year? So we want to check on this column. We want to try to capture first the people who have not made a level gain. And here is the list. Now, some of these people have just over 40 hours, and as you know, 40 hours is the minimum number of hours that students can take another post-test between, up to 40 hours and beyond is when they can take another test. So you can sort by hours, lowest number to highest number. So Don Choi really needs to take a test. Definitely want to see if we can get a level gain on him. He's had 300 hours. That's we're going to have to do something about that. But anyway, this is how you run the report. The other cool thing about this is you can either take a snip to remember who needs to take a test, or you can export it to Excel. Who knows what's in my Excel, but there we go. Oh, that's what's in my Excel. I knew you were going to see that. Anyway, okay. So here's this lovely report. And it's got the last test date. It's got their score from the last test. Okay, I'm going on too much, so I think you get the point. And I hope this is helpful. Thanks.